So you manifested the breakup unintentionally. You wish you hadn't, but you did. Tremendous awareness. Now what do we do about it, love? All these thoughts of, is he gonna leave me? What if he doesn't want me? What if he wants somebody else? What if he's not in love with me? What if it falls apart? Manifested into the breakup. And this is what you're dealing with right now. You don't want this. How do you change it? That's what we're talking about today for day 3 of this 30-day sequence. If you want to learn how to manifest the right way, hit that plus button and follow along in this journey. This is going to give you so much more clarity about how manifestation works and what you need to do to get what you want. So it all fell apart because you stopped being an energetic match to that relationship. It was thriving, everything was going well, you were enjoying it, you were an energetic match to it, and then suddenly it all started going south. You started to have these doubts, these fears, nobody taught you how to handle them, and you stopped being an energetic match to what you wanted. You became an energetic match to what you didn't want, which, if you haven't watched, day 1 and day 2 are all about that clarity that comes from that contrast. Just like it happened to one of my recent clients. She stopped being an energetic match to what she wanted. All these doubts came in and it fell apart. The relationship fell apart. Why? Because it wasn't giving her what she wanted. Just as probably as it wasn't giving you what you wanted. She wanted more. She didn't want the hot and cold behavior. She knew she deserved more, and she was not any longer a match to getting less than she deserved. So of course it has to fall apart. As she joined my program and started to work through the things, she started becoming an energetic match to what she wants. And now she's seeing all the work that we have done internally manifested from the outside with her SP telling her exactly what she wants. He made the decision to leave the person that he's currently with to come back to her because she is what she truly wants. But we worked on all of this internally, and then the manifestation proved it. She became an energetic match to this up-leveled version of what she wants, which is what you're going to learn how to do during this 30-day sequence. And we'll talk more about tomorrow as we tap into what you are currently doing wrong that is keeping you stuck in the current situation and what you need to start doing to shift out of it.